Yes, what's good guys? Welcome back to a new live stream.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in the trade guys. First TP at 250, 2.50, 52.50, sorry.
Order filled.
Just passed another eval account there. See if we can hit TP1 and then I will hold a runner for the sell side. So TP1 at 52.50 inside of first presented gap. Okay, and as soon as we break this low, I will be trailing stops on in queue. Bro, come on. 118, stops to 118 guys.
Order filled.
There we go guys, TP1 smashed. Make sure you guys go break even. Literally 7 wins in a row now. Let's fucking go. TP1 smashed. Make sure you guys are all at break even. Close around 80% out there guys, and then hold a runner for that sell side down at 943. This could literally be a 163 point trade. But yeah, if you've taken profits from that trade so far, in fact, actually wait until after the trade in case we hit final TP. And then you just can drop them inside of the members wins channel. Only then. But yeah, we've closed in around 52.50 was TP1. 52 points so far on the day. So if we get break even here, I do not care whatsoever. Passed another eval account, another 50k, and we've secured 50 points on the day, so if we get break even, all good. But yeah, yet again, another textbook model, sell model. Wasn't a unicorn model because it didn't break the swing high, but it was a mitigation block paired with an order block paired with a bearish fair value gap, and then waited for a retrace inside of the bearish gap instead of just entering blindly short inside of the mitigation block, just for better risk to reward, because If I'd have entered inside of the mitigation block, the risk to reward ratio would have been a little bit off. So but yeah, let's see if the market can dump. Preferably taking out that sell side at 943. But yeah, as soon as we got our entry at 105.25 inside of that gap there, literally every single candle after that straight to TP1, which is exactly the kind of delivery that we want to see. See if we can cook up 163 points on the day. That would be insane. 942.25. 942.25. But yeah, yet again another trade where we're taking first TP at first presented gap. I think we've literally done that for like the past 4 trades, and every single one of those trades has followed through and then hit first presented gap, and then most of the time when it does occur we usually reverse from there and get tagged out at break even. But I do feel like this trade wants to follow through and displace lower from here. Loving that SMT at these highs as well, internal range. That's the kind of delivery that you want to see while you're in a trade. It's that little bit of extra confirmation. But yeah, I'm going to trail stops to 8.4. Locking a bit more profits if we do reverse and get tagged out. So trail your stops, guys, to 0.84 flat. But yeah, TP1 hit for 52 points and risk has been reduced close around 80%. Stop loss has been trailed in a profit, so we're 100% risk free now. NQ's just retested its first presented gap. ES still hasn't given the retrace. So whenever you see NQ below its first presented gap and ES is above it, that obviously clearly tells you which asset is the weaker one and which asset is the stronger one. So since we entered on the Nasdaq in shorts, we are below the first presented gap, which is a clean confluence. We've just retested it there. While ES still has room to give the retrace into the gap. But yeah, that's literally a continuation model. So we've had SM take these internal range highs. We've got a mitigation block on NQ. This is a breaker block on ES because ES took the high, NQ didn't. Bearish order block paired with a bearish SIBI, bearish fair value gap. And then overlapping with that bearish fair value gap is first presented gap on NQ. Classic continuation model. Floating almost 100 points. Wow. Jesus. That was a big diddy candle. Big diddy. It came out of nowhere. Pause. Okay, so AS is just taking out that SMT there. Well, sorry, that high where that SMT is. NQ still below. We'll see what happens. Okay. But we've locked profit on the day. We're up nicely in terms of handles. Personally, I've passed another eval account, so to me it's a clean winning day. So whatever happens, I'm not bothered. I mean, it would be a nice bonus though if we do follow through and take out that sell side liquidity below price. Wow, nice. Yeah, I'm going to trail stops to 7.5 now, guys. Lock in some more profit. So we've had a classic free drives pattern, so if the market comes up above this high, then to me that seems as if the bearish model has been invalidated, or the bearish price delivery. Loving that SMT though, with a yes taking that high again, and Q holding below. But if we were truly bearish, we should be displacing. We've accumulated enough now. But yeah, we're getting a little bit choppy. Okay guys, that's us stopped out in a profit guys. That's me done for the day. Locked in around 52 handles. I'll see us all inside of tomorrow's live stream. But yeah, another winning day added to that 7-day win streak.